Hi, everybody out there in Facebook land. I just made a little faux pas in that I was live on Instagram and my Facebook didn't connect. So I'm going to just do a quick um, greeting to everybody out there. Yesterday was Saturday the 14th, and I wasn't able to go live because I was just really busy in the booth. So today we're in the booth at the Holiday Shindy. There's my sister, Sophie.
Hello, everyone out there.
Yay! And we run the Dolphin Studio together.
Yes, we do.
And so there's the Dolphin Studio calendar behind me. And we're super excited about being here at the Holiday Shindy in Pittsfield. So we're located at 40 Melville Street, and we're here till 5 o'clock today. And there are 39 other awesome vendors in this amazing Regal space, and we're really, it's just so nice to be here. The makers are amazing, the customers are amazing, and I'm going to cut it a little short today because I'm kind of busy. There's customers here that want my attention. So just a quick note, my husband talked to a dad yesterday who has young kids, and my husband's on the fire department, and he was hanging out with a bunch of the guys from the fire department, and they were talking about Christmas and what their plans were. And this dad of young kids said that they limit their Christmas giving to something, everything has to fit in the stocking. The most expensive gift needs to cost under $50. And one of the things in the stocking needs to be handmade. And we mentioned that to our kids who actually know the children that the kids of the dad that my husband was talking to, and we decided we're going to try it. So I'll let you know how it goes. And that's just an idea, throwing it out there, see if anybody's interested in joining us on that, and maybe we can kind of throw some ideas around or talk about how it went after. So have a great rest of your Sunday, and I'll chat with you in more depth tomorrow, live at 11 on Monday, right here on Facebook. Thanks for being here.